Dynamic ticket pricing is an effective pricing strategy used by event organizers, clubs, and venues to maximize their revenue and profitability by gradually increasing ticket prices as the event approaches. In this pricing strategy, the ticket price is set at a lower price point at the beginning of ticket sales, with the intention of incentivizing early ticket purchases. As the event date approaches, the ticket price gradually increases based on a set schedule or based on demand for the event. Use eventlint to automate price increases based on tickets sold, date, or both. Start by clicking the Add Extension button on your ticket and select Dynamic Pricing. You can toggle between a list view and a grid view. For this demo, I will select the grid view. Click on the Add Tier button, enter the desired price and how many tickets you want to sell for this price. The date box is optional. It tells us to jump to this price if not reached by a specific date. The red color in total capacity tells me that I have exceeded my ticket's total capacity. I will go ahead and adjust the quantity in some of my tiers. It turned green to indicate that my capacity matches. Extensions and eventlint can work together. So let's add price dependency as well so my other tickets increase accordingly with each price change. Now that my pricing strategy is set, let's see it in action. I will add sales to my ticket, and we will see how the prices for all tickets increase correctly. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments section or on our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.